cut that Honda off. Okay, you have a stop sign. You totally ignored that stop sign. You ignored yours too. Nice! Nice lady! You're not gonna stop. Nope. Stop sign. Especially when someone's coming. Yeah. Yeah. I guess I'm invisible, huh? Finish that. Mass hole left. Shit. Give me a look, lady, for fuck's sake. Jesus. Do I need this bullshit? No. Was that necessary? Of course, you're a Toyota driver. Stop before you turn. You're an asshole. And I'll stop against the stadiums. Yep. Oh, what a shock. What a friggin' shock that was. My power got you too, huh? Huh? Yeah? 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 Uh-huh. Yeah? Any closer could you get? I'm Yoda. Straight from the wrong lane. Yeah, there's no left turn on the parking lot, thank you. Wait, don't fucking hit me, dude! Jesus Christ! There's a red light running. The hell? What the hell? What the hell was that for? Nope. No trucks, thank you. Not in that lane. Dude, just knock them out of their own fucking lane. Asshole. Bison Transportation, drive with us. And Subaru exit dive. Cut him off. Oh, good move. phone, too. What a shock. What a fucking shock.
Stories around this next song by an artist who wrote songs from the likes of the OJs and the Spinners back in the 70s. Finally snagged himself a hit that was inspired by the playground style of jump rope known as double dutcher. And the southeastern Pennsylvania transport authority hanging up with him. He made a failed attempt to become a bus driver. Didn't happen. The record became a big hit. Frankie Smith claimed the record company WMOT Records didn't pay him.
Good job, asshole. See a French, can't see a scooter. Stop sign. Stop sign. Go for 3. Yay! 4? No, fuck you. Thank you. You wanted to. And there's the exit regret. Nice job, asshole. Whoa! Nice job, asshole. Whoa! Jesus fucking. Did you just cut him off? Probably. Corolla. Ah! Howdy ho. Nice, nice, nice. Giant truck, you know, he can't stop for you. But Toyota. That's right, Missy, you deserve to be in the left lane because you drive a Toyota. Your entitlement almost got yourself killed. Fuck you! Fuck you! Oh, what a video this is gonna be, huh? What the hell are you doing, stupid? Yep. Signal, then turn, idiot. Yeah, why don't you look, dummy? Don't do it again, you fucking asshole. Go! You're a fucking idiot! Oh, you fucking scumbag! I'm going home and check my blood pressure. Oh, you're a dirtbag. You are a friggin' dirtbag. Don't hit the signal, you turd. You turd. Oh, red light runner. Red on red runner. Because Toyotas. What the hell do you want him to do, you asshole? Jesus Christ. You have a stop sign, ass face. Fucking cop. And that's what your rule is. Stop. There we go, because of Prius. Is digging shit up or no freaking reason? Could you stand a little closer to, where I have to drive, dude? You can't get out of the way of traffic. Oh, look, motorcycle parking only. Honda makes motorcycles. That's not one of them. That was a red light runner. Yeah, try stopping, why don't you? You too. Rolly, 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 roll, roll, roll. Here we go, here we roll, here we roll, here we go. Hag. Do you ever consider, doing a job and directing traffic officer? Thank you. What are you doing? Camry being a Camry. Fucking idiot people in this world. And they all drive Toyotas. What are you doing now, old man?
He's driving you crazy?
He was parked on the left side with his backup lights on. Then he was backing into the handicap space. I'm like, why are you doing that? There are empty ones over there. There are a million idiots in this world, and they all drive Toyotas. Oh, I'm going up this way. This freaking cop. He wasn't directing traffic when he was coming in. He's just like standing across the road. He had nothing better to do. So I'm trying to make the turn and there are cars coming out. And he's like, oh, gee, I guess I gotta go over and direct traffic or something. Yup.
It drives me crazy when they're supposed to be directing traffic and they're in the middle of the road and they're not watching traffic. They're talking to the people that are doing the construction. It drives me goddamn nuts.
And he's just standing over there in the shade, relaxing, Oh, gee, do I have to... Yeah. Do your job, Walrus Face. I'm not letting you over. You're a moron. Another Toyota driving moron.
It's an epidemic.
Do you know where you're going, lady? Do you know what you're doing?
No, you don't. You want to bet she's going straight?
More than likely, yeah. I wouldn't be shocked if she took the right-hand turn. Let's go. Wakey,
Okay.
wakey. Green means green. Green means go. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Stay in your fuck. They give you a bike lane. Stay in it. Puddle wasn't gonna kill you. I might. stop. Stop signs mean stop you too, asshole. Jesus. Go! I realize you're a student driver, you can't be that fucking stupid. Just stop, asshole! Hey, that was a red light, what do you know? Yeah, someone's there, lady. I mean, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Oh, God, use your freaking blinker. Fuck you! Jesus, old man. Oh, Toyotas! What that idiot? Moron. In 2 in a row. Christ's sake.
The current you see in the supermarket checkout now. His assistant superintendent for
Yeah. Nice job, lady.